Hi beautiful soul, it's Nalicious here again. Thanks for stopping by on my channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare 5-star fried turkey. But if you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on that red button and subscribe. It's for free. Let's go through the ingredients together. The first ingredient here is the turkey that's been washed and cleaned. And the next ingredient is this fresh long chili, and I would be using 1 big red onion, fresh rosemary, and fresh thyme. If you've got the dry one, you can use it. And I've got fresh pepper here. Always add pepper to your taste. I would also be using this teaspoon of onga. This is what the onga looks like. So if you see it in the market, just buy it for this recipe. And I would be using this 2 nut cubes. Also be using half a teaspoon of curry powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. You can always add salt to your taste. I would be using the sunflower cooking oil for frying. You can use any groundnut oil, vegetable oil of your choice. Now I'm going to start by adding this turkey inside this pot. After adding the cleaned turkey inside the pot, I'm adding the thyme and the rosemary inside this pot. You can go ahead and use the dried thyme and rosemary if that is what you've got in your kitchen. I'm adding the red onions, and I did not chop it up into pieces or dice it into pieces. I only just cut it into 2, adding it to this pot. I will add this crushed nut cubes inside the pot. I would also add the onga. Add the half a teaspoon of the curry powder. Add salt to your taste. Add 2 cups of water inside it. You don't need to cook this turkey with too much water. You can be topping up the water as you're cooking it. Now I'm going to cover it and let it cook until this turkey meat is soft and tender, and the water has to be next to nothing. After 12 minutes, I'm just going to check on this turkey. If you're preparing this in a large quantity, you may have to stir everything together. But since it's not much, I'm just going to turn it over on the other side so that it would absorb the stock and the ingredients inside the pot. And I'll cover it to cook until the turkey is nicely soft and tender. Now I'm going to prep the other ingredients. Here is the long pepper. I've removed the seeds inside it. So I'm going to roughly blend this long pepper with the fresh pepper together and set it aside. This is what the pepper should look like after blending it. It's been over 20 minutes of cooking this turkey. It looks like it's been fried. No, I did not fry it. Because of the onga, that is what gives it that red color that you're seeing. And the taste is amazing. Like, the stock is almost dried. You can see that. So while preparing the turkey, you don't need to add too much ingredient inside it. Otherwise, it will be too salty or overspiced. I'm just removing the turkey from the pot, and you would notice that the onions is still inside that pot because I did not chop it up. If you chop the onions up, it's going to be all over the turkey, and we don't need that. That is the little stock that came out of it. I'm going to set that aside and add it in my other recipes. I will let the cooking oil heat up very well before adding this turkey inside the oil. I'll be frying this turkey on a medium heat, and I have to keep an eye on it. I don't need to add fresh onions inside the hot oil because this turkey meat is already well spiced and seasoned. And if you like my content and you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on that red button to subscribe. It's for free. I fried it 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Now I'm removing it out of the oil. You can still see how clean this oil is because I did not add onions inside it. I'm adding 2 spoons of that oil that I used in frying the turkey, but it's a bigger spoon. That oil is already infused with the turkey flavor. Now I'm adding this long pepper with the fresh pepper that have been roughly blended. Stir everything together. You need to be stirring it constantly and doing this on a medium heat so that it will not be splashing everywhere. Add one of the seasoning nut cubes and also stir it as you add in it. I'll add salt for taste. Add the teaspoon of the seasoning powder. Stir everything together and fry for like 5 minutes and don't let the pepper get too dried. I'm adding this turkey that's been well cooked and seasoned. And stir everything together. I just have to take my time and apply all this fried pepper on top of this 5-star fried turkey. If you are preparing this 5-star fried turkey in a large quantity and in a big pot, you can just stir everything together. It will mix and absorb. And don't forget that at this point, you have to put the heat on a low heat while you're trying to spoon all the pepper on top of the turkey. If you've not subscribed to my channel, wait till you gain now. Click on the red button to subscribe. You would enjoy this 5-star fried turkey if you did not add too much pepper into it, so you have to be careful while blending the pepper. This is the kind of 5-star fried pepper turkey that makes some people's husband to be coming back late. Brethren, please don't ask me where is one of the turkey that we fried. It's only a legend that will fry this turkey without not eating one. We fried 5 turkey and it's only 4 left here. I don't know what happened to the other one. Thank you so much guys for watching this video while I wash my hand to demolish this turkey. I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget, I love you guys. Mwah!